Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see a widget that is used to change the color of our image. As you can see, we'll tap on blue, it will change the color to blue. We'll tap on yellow, it will change the color to yellow, and again white. So we will see how you can create this type of effect over your image in Flutter. So let's start with the video. Okay, so now we have our demo app. So this is just a Flutter demo app, which is our stateful widget, and here we have a scaffold and we have a black background color to black. And let's start by creating a list of colors. Let's say a list my colors is equal to, we have a list of my colors. Let's say we have colors dot white, colors dot blue, colors dot yellow. Okay, and let's create our default color as well. Suppose we have a color which is our default color. Okay, we can initialize it like this. Default color is equal to my colors dot, let's say, first. Okay, so I have few images inside my assets folder, and let's give it a body to our app. Let's get our column children, and first what I will do is let's get our image, which is our assets slash, let's say I have shoes.png. Okay, now as you can see, we have our shoes. What we will do is we will simply wrap it with a widget container, and let's give it a color of colors dot white. Okay, so now we have our shoes as our product image. We have our white shoes as of now, and now let's give it another widget for our colors. Let's say we have our row, and inside children we will map our colors to, let's say we have circle avatar, and we will give it a background color of, which is our E. Let's give it a radius of, let's say, 10. Simply save the app. Now we can see the circles. Let's change it a little bit by wrapping it with a padding. We'll give it a padding of, let's say, 10, and we also will increase the radius. Okay, so now we have three circles with its colors of our my colors list. Okay, so now on tapping of that, we want to change the color. Okay, so let's wrap a widget called color filter. Okay, so as you can see, a color filter is required a parameter called color filter. Okay, now we'll give it a color filter, and we will use color filter dot mode, and here we can give the color, which is our default color, and there's a blend mode. We can use blend mode dot, there are different types of blend mode here. You can try at your own. Let's give it a blend mode called, let's give it a color. Okay, so as you can see, we haven't initialized, so we'll simply hot restart our application. So the default color is getting applied. Okay, so now let's give it a blend mode dot, let's say color burn. Okay, so by default is it's white. We will now what we will do is we want to change the color when tapping it to these colors, right? So what we can do is we will simply grab our circle avatar with a widget called gesture detector, and in the on tab we will use set stage and our by default color to our color equal to E, that is in the list. Okay, so let's try tapping on the blue color. So as you can see, the shoes color has changed to blue. We'll tap onto the yellow, it will change to yellow, and once again we'll tap onto the white and the shoes colors will change to white. Okay, so this is how you can use this color filter widget to apply a color filter on your product image and change the image without color, without needing to add different types of colored images inside your application. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.